Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Tecno launched their new smartphone with a 6000 mAh battery, the Tecno Spark Power 2, and 7-inch big display. So, make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. Last month, Tecno launched the Spark 5 lineup, the Tecno Spark Power 2. The Tecno Spark Power 2 is powered by the Helio P22 SoC, runs Android 10 based HiOS 6.1 and has a 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs storage on board. It also comes with a dedicated micro SD card slot which allows storage expansion by up to 256 gigabytes. The Spark Power 2 is built around a 7-inch 20 by 5 by 9 display of 1640 by 720 pixel resolution, which has a notch up top for the 16 megapixel selfie camera. As you can see on this picture, around the back you get a quad camera setup, angle vertical in the top left corner, comparing a 16 megapixel main, 5 megapixel super wide, 115 FOV and 2 megapixel macro unit, and fourth module is described as AI lens, which help with the bokeh effect. The back of the smartphone is also home to a fingerprint reader, which double up as a camera shutter button and lets you perform the other function like dismissing alarm and receiving and recording calls. Other highlights of the Tecno Spark Power 2 is including 3.5mm headphone jack, Darius powered dual speaker for a stereo sound, and dedicated smart key to summon Google assistants. The Tecno Spark Power 2 pack a 6000 mAh battery which charge through a micro USB port at up to 18 watt. It priced at a $130 and has two color option, Jaded and a mystery gray. It will go on a sale starting June 23 through the Flipkart. So make sure to like this video, guys, and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Peace out. Bye bye.